Okay, in this video of my do-it-yourself series, I'm going to be showing you how to coat an inside 90-degree internal corner. And I'm going to be showing you how to do it just with hand tools. Okay, so I'm using a 5-inch knife. You could also use a 4-inch or a 6-inch. In my experience, I've just found the 5-inch to be kind of the best one for this. Okay, so all drywall knives have a concave side and a concave side. So look down the length of the knife, identify which side is which, and you want the concave side to face the wall. That way the edges of the knife lift off the wall and don't disturb any areas that you had previously coated, so it won't dig in. Okay, so here's the consistency of the mud that you want. Shouldn't be too thick, shouldn't be too thin. Too thick, it's going to be hard to work with. Too thin, it's going to shrink too much. Okay, so take some mud like this on your knife. Position your knife in the corner like this, and put your finger on one edge of the knife and apply a little bit of pressure, and then lift the knife upwards. Okay, so now we have that initial little bit of mud there. Now same thing, grab some mud like this. Now position the knife like this. Put your finger there, keep the knife parallel with the wall, and then just bring it down. And then up. Okay, notice that we have some mud has squeezed out onto the other side. Take the knife like this, parallel with the adjacent wall. Run it up and down, and that cleans that off. Okay, so now that we got that, what we want to do is we want to smooth out this coat, and we also want to get rid of that edge line. So put your knife like here, put your finger right over parallel with that edge line. Keep this side of the knife slightly raised off the fresh mud so we don't disturb it, and then just run the knife down. Okay, so now that edge line is gone, we didn't disturb this mud. Now we just want to smooth that out. So we're going to put the knife on, gentle pressure, keep the knife parallel, and then run it down. There, so now we have a nice consistent coat, and we're going to let that dry for a day or so, and then we're going to repeat the exact same process on the other side, and that will give you a really nice coated finish on your inside corners.